My name is Jonathan, and I work as a business developer at Zerv Aps in Denmark. We have a total of 13 shops, one for different genres of racket sports. We have tennis, badminton, paddle and squash. We also have those in a lot of different countries. Here in Scandinavia and Europe, and one international badminton site. We have only 2 shops in Plytix right now, and not a total of 13. And right now we are working with 2 systems. The one system can take up to 10 repetitions, and Plytix is just the one. So yeah, it took about an hour to create a product with the old systems, and what we've seen so far is like about a 70% reduction in time using Plytix. So we would be able to create about 3 times as many products using Plytix. Our partner, who is responsible for IT integrations and the warehouse management system, who has actually built a PIM system himself, said that, listen Jonathan, this is a big task and very crucial for the future of your company. And he really liked that John was very honest. He was honest and clear about what Plytix can do and what is not recommended. And right after the meeting, Klaus said to me, dude, this is great. And I think he actually showed Plytix that he had maybe 20 or 25 customers who might be interested in Plytix because he saw a lot of value. It did more than he would have expected a PIM system to do. I saw a lot of possibilities to minimize errors. I also saw a lot of possibilities to increase the overview and control of our ecommerce manager, being able to survey which products are missing what. It seemed like a very flexible system that you could easily adapt to your needs, and I thought that was really nice, because with 13 shops and different sports genres, being flexible and adaptive was pretty important for us. And most important, the ability to create a product one time and then just choose which shops it has to go to. This was the biggest thing. We use that a lot in our pay-per-click advertisements or affiliate marketing. That's also something I've experienced, being able to completely set up every little detail of the feed, complete control. Where the other PIM system, it felt like I had to build a lot from scratch, kind of like invent the attributes. I had a different experience with Plytix. I still had the same freedom, but I could like pick and choose. Like in a candy store, I want this, I want that, and then set it up how I wanted it. And then there were small things like a completeness score, which is genius when you have 5 or 6 different people creating products. Because when we define the completeness scores, we completely choose what is relevant for this product. So we can see exactly, okay, it's a picture, it's this, it's that, it's a price. And we have had some cases where when a shoe or a couple of shorts has been created in the old system, then there were no variants. They hadn't been matched. So you could see the product, but you couldn't buy it. This is not possible in Plytix, not if you do what you have to, because whenever you created a product, it's both the master and the variants are there 100%, and we did not have that insight at all previously. The guys who are making our campaigns on Google and Facebook have several times written to me. They have come with a question to our old feeds, asked, can we do this, can we do that? And I said, unfortunately, I can only do that on Paddle Shop, which we had moved to Plytix. A few weeks later, this is not working, can we do this? I say, can't do that in the old feeds. And they both like, okay, let's just hope that we are soon in Plytix and have the same possibilities for all shops. Because they have really felt an increase in the quality of the feed, the quality of the product information. So not just in-house, we've experienced a great system, but it's also our partners who are really excited about the quality we are sending to them now compared to previously.